cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gain.
Nah, halo semuanya, selamat datang lagi ke channel Boybuntar. Nah, di video ini tuh saya mau bagi tips yang ingin mewarnai blok mesinnya atau ini di burengnya. Ini dengan cara yang simple, yang nggak mau ke tukang cat atau pakai spray gun. Itu kan biayanya juga lebih mahal, dan di sini saya mau pakai pilok doang untuk kali ini supaya lebih murah dan lebih simple, lebih cepat gitu. Nah, kalau pakai pilok itu banyakkan orang kalau mau langsung mewarnai gitu cuma 2 kali proses, cuma dasaran langsung diwarnain gitu. Dan kalau di blok ini kan suhunya panas ya, kalau nggak catnya nggak kuat itu catnya akan mengkeriting gitu. Nah, di sini tuh saya akan mengecat ini lagi. Ini sebenarnya udah aku cat dan aku kelupas karena ya itu tadi catnya ngeriting karena cuma saya dasarin dan langsung dipakein warna utamanya gitu. Dan di sini saya pakai beberapa pilok dan belajar dari kesalahan dulu. Nah, yang pertama ini untuk warna, maksudnya saya untuk pilok yang dasarannya ini untuk menutup semua supaya pori-porinya itu halus dan enggak bergelombang. Ini saya pakai epoxy. Ini epoxy dari Titan Premium. Lihat enggak? Ini primer gray, ini sama saja dengan epoxy. Ini dari Titan Premium. Dan supaya lebih nanti catnya lebih melekat dan enggak cepat ngelupas gitu. Dan untuk warna dasarnya sendiri saya pakai punyanya sinyal red, ini yang warna merah. Ini sinyal red punyanya Saparo ini tulisannya. Ini untuk warna utamanya nanti. Dan setelah warna dasarannya ya. Warna dasarannya cukup pakai putih, ini pakai super wet dari Titan Premium. Nanti setelah semua selesai, lanjut ke proses pengekliran atau di clear lah, di pernis supaya hasilnya lebih mengkilat lagi dan tahan lama gitu. Nah, saja ini saya mau tutup lubangnya, ini juga udah aku tutupin di bagian headnya dan bagian ke crankcase-nya udah aku tutup supaya nanti boringnya yang dalam nggak terkena cat gitu, nggak terkontaminasi catnya. Nah, saja ini saya udah aku kelupas ini ya, walaupun nggak semuanya terkelupas tapi ini udah cukup ya, halus sih. Nanti langsung aja kita lanjut ke proses pemoksian yang pertama. Proses yang pertama ini saya pakai epoxy saya primer gray. Ini ada yang belum aku tutup sih, ini mau aku tutup dulu dan lanjut ke pemoksiannya. Oke.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease.
take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, I hate this. I'll go show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through.
Nah, ini udah selesai aku pakaiin warna dasar. Ini udah dipoksi dan di warna dasarnya, tak pilok warna dasarnya. Nah, dan ini aku mau lanjut ke proses yang selanjutnya, yaitu dengan warna utamanya. Dan ini saya pakai signal red dari Sapporo untuk warna utamanya ini. Ini udah cukup halus ya, udah aku lapis sampai 2 lapis untuk warna dasarnya. Dan di sini agak sedikit kurang sih, karena saat ngelotok catnya itu masih ada tertinggal sedikit sisa-sisa di pojok-pojokan sini, tapi nggak apa-apa, nggak terlalu kelihatan juga. Nah, langsung saja lanjut ke proses ini, sinyal red yang merahnya. Oke.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and
Nah, ini udah selesai aku cat warna merahnya, sudah semua, dan ini udah lapisan kedua untuk warna merahnya, dan ini sudah rata semua. Dan kita lanjut ke proses selanjutnya, yaitu proses terakhir supaya catnya lebih awet dan lebih mengkilat lagi. Dan di sini saya pakai warnanya dari Titan premium, ini pakai pilok clearnya. Langsung aja kita semprotkan.
Cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement.